Alright, Eric, we're back with Major. His ear looks all infected today. We're going to go in there and get some ear medicine for him. I'll let you know how much it is, but I don't know, he just got up this morning, he was shaking his head, and he's not very good about letting you look in there, because he was trying to bite my hand when I did. So we're going to just give him a quick run through. We're going to run in there and get a bottle of the Zymox and get that in there, and that should help start making it better real quick. I do have my sound box on. And we do want to remember up here, bikes and stuff go down, do have a tendency to go by. Good boy. Good. Good. So I'm keeping, and these kind of shoes are really perfect because I can put it in front of the heel and slide it pretty easily. Good boy. Good. The point we're at with this dog right now is I want to be able to use the nick to get him to go down. So we're still going to be using the pager, but we need to be able to add the nick so that we can use that to get him to go down so we can phase out the, you know, the putting the foot on there thing. Pager. Heel. 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 Good. So remember, going around the turn, heel. Down. Heel. Another dog. Heel. Now, I am dealing with the pager on that turn. I don't know. Heel. Sorry about that. Didn't restrain him at all. Heel. Heel. Down. So you see, I pushed him down with the pager right there, partly by virtue of the fact that I had pushed him down with the nick. But you saw it have the effect where his body kind of went down. Definitely let him over on that hip. Major. Heel. Heel. Keeping it loose. Good. So yeah, Eric, I don't know if changing that food maybe brought this ear thing on. Good. Heel. Down. Good boy. Good. And it's not as crucial that I give him the treat right away as it is I could verbally cue it. Just to be safe. More updates.